Hey guys, I know I ain't been on here in like a minute. It's just like so much stuff that's been going on and everything. But I'm well, and I wish everybody else well and everything and they're doing. But you know me, I switch up every month. You know me, I come with something new every month. But it's like I need to be on here more, and I know I got so much stuff going on, and y'all gonna be like, "This girl's crazy," and I'll be like, "I know," but at the same time, I'm just like, it's coming together, and I feel it. It is like law of attraction. I don't care what y'all say. Is real. Is law of attraction. I know this is what I'm supposed to do, cause I swear, I tell y'all. Ooh, I got low battery, y'all. So hold on, y'all. I'm gonna record this and we'll put this up because I was like, I ain't tell y'all no update to the update. And it's a big old message on my phone right now. So you guys, excuse me moving this all around. Lord. What I'm trying to tell you, what I'm trying to tell you is right now it's like so ghetto fabulous with this. But it's coming together because it's working and I know it's working, law of attraction. Um, I'm just going to say a little brief video, a little summary of what's been going on for the past 3 months. Long story short, um, I don't work for them no more, and I don't care. I know I think I've signed like a confidential agreement, whatever. But you know what? I'm going to tell you right now. This is, what's today's date? I think it's the 21st, so whatever today's date is, because I'm messed up right now. So y'all guys, excuse me for that. And but anyway, um, I got a whole lot of stuff to talk about. Cause like I said, I ain't been on here. But at the same time, it's coming together. It's coming together, y'all. And I know it's coming together. Cause I got my little planner right here. And I realized today, that's what I should have been doing from the first place. Just writing down what I'm going to do today and check it off saying, yeah, I did it. I'm almost done. Now, y'all know I've been jumping. I did the Intel travel video. And I know I'm lagging on right now, but y'all guys, excuse me. For the viewers that love me and still with me, my 8 viewers, I'm telling you, I'm this woosah for a second, cause I'm on another plane. I'm trying to come back down to tell y'all what's going on. Cause the simple fact, I just realized it just came to me. That's why I said let me do this video. So I'm sorry, I'm taking forever, but I realized today I've been working on myself and doing everything, and this video's probably upside down, sideways. My charger, my thing's about to go out, but I said let me get this video out because I ain't been on here for a month, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on, man. I'm gonna tell you what's going on because it's me, it's y'all 8 viewers. Y'all know I'm coming from the bottom up, so and the only way to go is up because I'm already. So long story short, job. If you looked into my other videos, you know my job situation. It went up, down, crazy anyway. But I realized it was just too much to go all the way out to where I needed to go just to make the same amount of money where I was going for 18 miles. So basically, I was going to a job. I finally got the job because remember, I'm trying to tell you law of attraction because it worked because I got the place where I was trying to work at forever and I finally got it and I hated it. So we're going to do another video on that because once I figure out, because confidentiality, but if you look at my other videos, you know what job I'm talking about. So anyway, long story short, I let it go. You know me, I quit jobs. If you look at my other videos, I quit Staples back in August. It's nothing new with me, but at the same time, I'm getting blessed right now because I feel like my true calling is coding. Because the simple fact, it's been a long journey, and like I said, it's been 43, and it's been a long journey back and forth with computers, but I always love computers, and I feel like this is the way I need to go right now. So I'm on my, I know y'all like, she just didn't tell travel like last month, but I know I flip flop, but I always go back to coding. It was like maybe 2 years ago I really got into coding because I was like, I'm tired of like, oh, you these little click little websites and you just click and put the information in. I'm that person. Back in the day when I was little, I took apart my radio to find out why it worked the way it worked. And to me, I feel like the internet is like I want to find out the backbones of why is it working the way it's working because I want to know. Just because. I mean, you never know. So that's how I got into web development. Off and on, I'm gonna tell you another story. Maybe I do another video. Maybe that's why I need to start doing these videos on backtracking so you can figure out how I get to this journey of coding right now. But I've been passionate on it. I've been like 14 days straight on solo learn. It's nobody plugging, and I'm not saying who's right and who's wrong. I might do a video on who thing works for me. I don't know. But like I said, I've been doing this for like off and on for 2 years, man. And I'm so mad at myself because I should have been steady like this, like I'm steady right now on. But I figure right now at this moment, the reason why stuff happened the way it happened is so I could focus 100% on this. And it's like I've been trying for coding camp, boot camps, and the money, and I'm like, yo, if I'm not working right now, it's no point in putting $14,000 to $20,000 more in debt. And then mind you, I'm still in school. I gotta tell you a video on that one. I'm in school too right now, doing marketing. So it's like I said, it's been a crazy month. So I mean, to sum it all down. I'm in school part time for one. I've been self teaching myself coding HTML, CSS for the past 2 years, but I ain't really been serious with it. Since this past, I won't say month, I've been serious about it and really into it, coding. And like I said, hopefully I'm gonna make a video today. I know this is at 6 minutes. You're like, she still ain't talking about what she's talking about, but like I said, my mind is all over the place. You go figure out why in the next 2 minutes. I promise, 2 minutes. I'm about to finish my project. I think I'm 57% into it, and I'm shouting them out. Um, I don't want to mess with his name, so I'm gonna put it out there. I've been looking like a lot of YouTubers, like Joshua Flute. They've been motivating me because I'm like I feel old and I feel like I'm not trying to do retail no more. I can't sit there and say how can I help you anymore. It's about to be on that high level. I got to get to that next level. I'm going to get to the next level with coding. But long story short, coding phase. I'm gonna put his link in my description when I figure it out. Cause right now, like I said, I ain't in a good place, but I feel like it's leading me in the right direction. Cause I'm 57% into one of his programs, and I'm about to finish it. And I tell y'all at the end, it's called coding phase. Right now, it's a plaint, and I don't mean to do you no harm, dog, because I've been watching you for the past, like, almost a month strong, almost. Every time you try to do a live one, I try to get on it and listen to you, because you motivate me like I don't know what. Give me a second, I can get you his name. I feel so bad right now, because I'm looking at his website, but like I said, it's just so much stuff going on in my head, and, I don't know. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I'm so sorry. I said 2 minutes, and y'all like, man, she done took like 2 more minutes, and I'm like, man, hold on. Let me get on his thing. But he's YouTuber coding phase. Look up coding phase. I'm gonna put it on my like I said. I'm gonna put it on my thing. My thing is so messed up right now. Let me just go, because I know, like, when his name pop up, when I go first on his website, I just come back, forget it. No, I'm just going to do it on that page, that's what I'm going to do, because I got so much stuff left on that. I got 57% though, y'all, 57%. Joe Garcia. I'm so sorry, Joe. I know you probably watching like, this chick is crazy right now. But no, I'm so serious. I've been watching this, and I've been prepping. Because like I said, long story short, had to uproot for a second. Now I'm in a stable place, hopefully, for the moment. So at the same time, I'm trying to get myself right by doing this coding. My plan was, this is my original plans. I was gonna go to coding boot camp for 3 months. By the time my daughter get out of, this is my goal. By the time she got out of school by June, I was gonna be out of my boot camp and be a full stack web developer. That's my goal right now. Now, like I said, if you listen to me before, I did videos on Intel travel and everything, and I don't stick with nothing. But and I 100% into this, and that's the whole thing. I think I was never 100% into anything else because I was looking for the bigger, better thing. But since I've been coding, I've been on this like straight, like for days. Like I said, I've been on Solo Learn. I'm on Udemy. I'm about to do the GitHub. I'm about to do the set up my portfolio. I'm so serious about this. But like I said, this been on and off and on journey for me for years. Like I said, I tried to do A+ in network. I want to say like maybe when my daughter was 4 and now she's 13, and I put it off to the side because I put down my money. Long story short, I put down my money, failed to pass the class, but failed the course to take. The certification for A+ in network. I think I took it for I took it for network, and I think I failed it. But I only failed for a few points. But like I said, I was stressing so much stuff on my head and everything, and I couldn't figure out like what to do. And I was worried about work and this and that. But right now, like I said, everything is just keep coming as a circle. Right now, I'm not working, and like I said, I'm looking for a job. But like I said, where I'm at right now, it's not as stressful to gain employment right away. That's why I was trying to find a coding boot camp right now to do that. But the situation was I had to pay with this coding boot camp. I had to pay off a bill in order to get approved with the financial help that they was gonna give me. But so I'm like, forget that. I'm like, look, if I had the money, don't you think I would pay off all my bills? I wouldn't be needing to do this boot camp. But anyway, that's a whole nother story because you know how I go off. And I'm like so mad because I got into this because I'm halfway through. I'm not going to say this program name because like I said, I don't know yet. Till everything positive come through, I'm going to tell you positive things. So at the same time, this program then made me look into more on coding and know that I can do this myself. Just keep pressing through and keep it up and keep motivated. I'm gonna get through this and I'm gonna learn this without a boot camp. Like with like I said, Joe Garcia and Joshua Fluke and it's another one. I swear he's like Code Dev. I can't think of his name right now, but I think he's he a little sweetheart on here though, but he be talking about Team Treehouse, and I've been on that too. So I've been on Treehouse, I've been on Coding Phase, and I've been on other stuff. So just follow me. Ain't gonna be too much longer. I'm just saying now I'm doing coding, y'all. Yeah, this is something brand new, honey. I'm doing coding. And I say I was going to do other videos on how I'm learning on coding, but I think I'm learning with the best one so far, and I give them a thumbs up, and I mean, I'm not shouting them out or sponsoring them or nothing, but it's Coding Phase. Because I'm going to tell you a little secret. I've been thinking I've been doing this stuff wrong for the past 2 weeks. I'm like, man, I'm paying my money, and I ain't like I paid. And Joe can get me on this. I don't care. He can hit me on this. Like, what do you mean? But I just got a little monthly little subscription from him, and I'm like, man, I was about to write on his thing. Oh, I don't know what this is not. This need to be updated. But it was my problem, user error or whatever you want to call it. It was all on me, and it's my thing. I did the starter kit. I did the gulp. I did the node, npm install, all that stuff. Work good, and I'm like, why is this stuff is so small? Why is it so small on my screen? Now mind you, I ain't even fixed the zoom on my laptop, so that end up, long story short, like I said, long story short, I ain't fixed my Zoom till this morning, and then I realized this thing been super super big the whole time, and I'm like, I'm just a minor little tweak, and like I'm rolling. Like I said, I'm 57% through this one course. When I'm finished, I'm going to like probably post another one on here to show you what I done, and I feel to me for the past 2 years, I feel so much better now than I did these past couple weeks compared to these past couple years of trying to learn how to code. Like I said, I'm 43. I'm still baby at this, but like I said, I'm getting me a job. I'm claiming it right now. Law of attraction, whatever you want to call it, universe, God, whatever. I know is a God. So we're not even on that level right now. But I was just saying, and plus I'm still propping because I don't know what's going on with this economy because that's another whole nother story. And like I said, I do stuff about that and do stuff about this. So what's going on with me? So I'm gonna do another video probably this evening. If my daughter's father do what I asked him to do for me. So you're gonna see another video tonight, hopefully. If not tonight, then this weekend. Uh, if anything. Thank you. God bless y'all. Thank you. And like I said, I'm gonna do another video on prepping or whatnot. But check out, like I said, Joe Santos Garcia and Joshua Fluke and the one, I think his name is Codev. I'm not sure, but I'm sorry I forgot your name right now because it just passed me. But I'm going to say it on my next video, promise. Thank you, everybody, for helping me and looking out for me. God bless. Love y'all. Bye.